We interrupt your regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important details to follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At this time, do not turn off your television or radio because it's really important to listen carefully to this announcement. There are hundreds of reports the Earth turning into diamond, hundreds of thousands of vehicles, plants, water, humans and animals has turned into diamond as of this result of this dangerous situation. It is reported that Earth will be turned into diamond in the next 6 hours. All residents on Earth are advised gather with your friends, family, children, pets, and other stuff that makes you happy and away your transformation into diamond. If you are part of the religion, pray to your god or gods. All world leaders including the president have turned into diamond. We now conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system. This broadcast will play with the final playing of our national anthem, God Bless the World.